The official interface for the Librem 5 phone will be Phosh. However, Purism has sent several devices out to the KDE community to help get KDE Plasma Mobile working. Shout out to Crafty Guy, who is doing a lot of the work towards Plasma Mobile on the Librem 5 phone. He has compiled it and even tested it on the device. And there are several things that are not working under Wayland at this point. So not only is it in pre-alpha on the device, but the VM I'll be testing is also in pre-alpha and very crashy. I had to reboot the VM several times in order to get this footage, but let's go ahead and take a look. We're going to go ahead and try without installing. It doesn't seem like they have Calamares working yet, so you can't install this image, but you can certainly test it out. It's clearly based on Ubuntu 16.04, and let's look at the interface. So a lot of these panels are not working. If I click anywhere on the top panel, everything crashes. There's a phone app, an installer app that's not implemented, camera, and an app store. These squares will let you switch between already open apps. That crashes often, and the exit button exits whatever's open. Well, I do like that when you open an application, it lights up the exit button, letting you know that there is an application ready to be closed. This doesn't seem to be loading that well. Let's go ahead and retry that. Okay, and we crashed the panel, but the phone popped up, so hey, that's cool. Quick overview what the phone screen is going to look like. Here's the random pop-up of the broken connections dialog. Well, with the blacked out menus, I can't exit this application or really do anything, so gonna have to reboot. Okay, now that we're rebooted, let's go ahead and try the Discover store. It definitely has a lot of packages in it, so I'm assuming this has got a lot of what is in the Ubuntu 16.04 store. I'm not sure if all of these have been modified specifically to work on a phone, but they are at least easily installable. Problem is I have no idea what the root password is, so the settings looks quite nice. Much simpler than that in Phosh. And I like some of the defaults a bit more. Alright, so developer mode, that's pretty cool. Writable file system. I wish Android had a button like that. And allow remote SSH isn't letting me click it, but I'm assuming will eventually work and is also a great feature. And here's the random wireless pop-up, and here's where we can adjust screen brightness, lock screen, sleep, turn off screen. I do like that these features are off by default, but do allow you to turn them on. In Phosh, it felt more like they were just kind of already on by default. Now, can't give them too much shit because no device is actually shipped with either of these two interfaces working. This I have to give them credit for and is probably much better than it will ever be in Phosh. The theming. It looks like they have good Qt theming working. So you can change this up. I'm assuming you'll also be able to download additional themes online once this has a community behind it. Time and date does seem kind of bare bone, but we'll give it some time to grow. VPlayer? I wonder what VPlayer is. Well, we got ourselves this nice little blue thing. Oh, okay, so home directory. I can't seem to find any videos to play in here, so just imagine that this can play videos. Let's go up, 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 up. That's past root or above root. Okay, well, good game. I don't think I can close this, so yep. That's a quick overview of KDE Plasma Mobile. It is not super stable, but it is getting there, and it is a good alternative to the Phosh shell we reviewed a couple weeks back. I'll be playing with the development kit some more this week, and we'll be releasing another Purism video hopefully on Tuesday.